Our customers expect to be able to work remotely in the same capacity that they are when they're at the office. Answers may differ, the level of data may be different. We talk about analysts looking at a lot of data, and we talk about managers looking at a subset of data or just events and alerts and things that are going on. So mobility in itself is important, but tuning the application to the needs of the users is in fact even more important. We need to drive workflow, we need to drive applications out to users on mobile devices, we need to empower them. And as a result of that, they're going to be able to provide better service, and quicker answers to their customers. Better mobility can improve a customer's bottom line in a lot of ways. We talk about being more efficient, we talk about doing jobs better, we talk about better customer service, we talk about better use of assets. All of these float straight down to the bottom line. Mobility is key to that. If we can get a driver to a task or a job quicker, if we can get him there using the right piece of equipment or the right asset, and if we can use automated tools when we get that person there, then we're being more efficient. We're providing better service, we're taking service costs out of our customer service burden that we may have had in the past, and we're using electronic mechanisms to get data to their customers. We're doing a lot to embed the concept of mobility into our software development and into our platform, and we've been doing it for years. Over the years, we've listened to our customers and we've listened to them talk about the things they can do in applications that are typically consumer driven. Alerts when things that are going on, information that's pushed to them. And why can't that happen in a commercial application? Well, over the years, that's what we've been doing, and we're pushing those boundaries even further now. So typically, mobility should be able to deliver you events and alerts that are critical to you and timely to you, no matter where you are or what time of day it is. But think about also, take that concept and extend it further. Why shouldn't someone who's using a mobility application out in the workplace be told about things that's going on around them relative to what they're doing or where they are or at what time that is? So a service worker turns up to do a task or a delivery driver turns up to do a delivery. When he enters that site, why shouldn't the application be telling him exactly what he needs to know when he gets there? Where should he park? What safety regulations are there? Who should he see? Does he need to get a POD? Does he need to get a signature? What needs to happen? All incredibly important concepts that have been delivered in consumer applications for a long time, and really only lately been delivered into commercial applications. So that's at the heart of what we do with TN360. If you ever think about different people in organisations, they all have different needs for mobility. If you have a look at their need for data, it's very different. Think of somebody in the back office who's an analyst. They're looking at lots of data. They're needing large size screens. They're looking at depth and detail. If you think about potentially a manager after hours, he's looking for exceptions. He doesn't want the detail. He wants to know quick and easy answers, and he wants to get to the point. Think about a delivery driver. He wants to execute the action he's out there to do. He wants to make that delivery. He wants to get a proof of delivery in the form of a signature or a photo or a scan, and he wants to get on and then do his job. He might use other tools like navigation, and he might use forms. So when we built TN360, we built that in mind for the different types of users and the different jobs and the different expectations they would have on mobility.